am lazy. I have a lot going on, I'm really busy, and sometimes I don't have the time or patience or desire to deal with my hair. Hey y'all, hey, it's Miko and this is On The Go with Miko. So today I'm talking about hair, natural hair. So a lot of people know me around town for my big fro, which is hiding elegantly underneath this fabulous turban. But I have a lot of it, and it is important that you take care of it, especially natural hair. Just because you're natural doesn't mean you don't have to maintain your hair. You don't have to take care of it. There's always going to be a level of work involved, whether you are relaxed or natural. So I wanted to do a video to take it back to the basics, to cover some of the must-haves for naturals. This is going to be the first video of a Lazy Naturals series that I'm going to be showcasing here on my channel. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications so you'll be able to follow the series as it progresses. The Lazy Naturals series is going to be a 6-part series. This is the first video. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the different videos of this Lazy Natural series drops. Today we're talking about natural hair must-haves, so let's move right into it. I have 10 natural hair must-haves that you need to have in your life to rock your natural, fly fabulously and fiercely. Must-have tool number 1 is a spray bottle. A simple spray bottle is a necessity for any natural hair lady or gentleman. So you need to have a spray bottle on deck, because as you are going through your different sections, styling, detangling, washing, conditioning, what have you, your hair is going to get dry. So you need to be able to re-moisturize your hair, disperse the water quickly, and keep it moving, and the spray bottle will allow you to do that. So must-have number 1, spray bottle. Must-have number 2, a good detangling comb or tool. I have a couple of favorites. Now, I cannot go anywhere, live, without this detangling comb. This is a Conair detangling comb. It has 2 sets of teeth that actually cross, so they interlock like this, and so they are perfect for detangling curls. Y'all, I cannot. A lot of people use wide tooth combs. I've tried wide tooth combs because I have so much hair and it's a pretty good length. It just takes forever to detangle, even with a wide tooth comb. But this comb right here has been a savior. I've had this comb for probably 5 years now. I got it from Walmart. It was only maybe $6 or $7. And when I tell you this thing is the truth, it is the truth. I cannot do anything with my hair without this comb. Another good must-have is a rat tail comb. I'm sure there's probably a better name for these combs. This one is super cute, and this is good for doing parts. If you are styling your hair or sectioning it to get ready to wash, detangle, deep condition, whatever. Sections are your friend, especially if you have a lot of hair, and as it gets longer, do things in sections. That will help prevent breakage and all of that. But you need a good rat tail comb. And then a newbie for me is the Tangle Teezer. So when I first used this thing, it has just like these little mini teeth, and it's plastic, and it glides through your hair. Now, I would use this only when your hair is drenched with water and a conditioner with a really good slip. Never go into your hair dry with the Tangle Teezer or any detangling comb for that matter. You need to have something to help lubricate the strands and allow the comb to get through the strands easily without breaking your hair. So the Tangle Teezer is really great in the shower while you have lots of conditioner and water. Start from the bottom, work your way up in sections. It's really great for clumping your curls if you're using styling products or creams, and it really just smooths out the hair. So I really like the Tangle Teezer. Also got this from Walmart. It's a couple of bucks. So make sure you have a great arsenal of quality detangling combs and tools. Must-have number 3 is a scarf and a bonnet. I have a bonnet on underneath here because, as I said, we're a little lazy this week, and so I haven't done anything with my hair. So the bonnet's on there. The reason I say that you need a bonnet and a scarf, because depending on how you're wearing your hair for that week will depend how you need to protect it at night. So if you have a big braid out or twist out or something that's going to need a lot of volume, then you can put your bonnet on at night. However, if you have maybe a more sleek style or something that's slicked down and you need to lay your edges and things overnight, then you want to have a scarf. Of course, you want to have something that is either silk or satin material, something that is smooth, so as you toss and turn throughout the night, you're not ripping your hair, there's no friction, it's able to glide. Some people also use a satin pillowcase instead of using a bonnet and or scarf. For me personally, I prefer a scarf or a bonnet only because the satin pillowcases, they're great, but I feel like you still get better protection of your hair with something that stays on the hair overnight. And then with a satin pillowcase, the oils and things get in the pillowcase and you're tossing and turning, that's getting on your face, and then you get oils and things on your face. So I really prefer to stay away from the satin pillowcases. They're great, they're pretty, you know, you can slide all over the place if you want to, but really the satin scarves and bonnets work best for me. So definitely a must-have. Must-have number 4 are scrunchies. So there's a couple of them. I love these little satin scrunchies. They're really great. They come in really different pretty colors and prints like this, so these are great. They kind of stretch out over time though, but you can always double them up, and that will again make sure that there's no friction on your hair as you're wearing it. It's not too tight. I also love these things here. So I get these from the beauty supply store. They come in packs of like 4 or 5, and they're like a stocking material. They're very stretchy. So you know you have the problem with the traditional goody scrunchies. They stretch out, but then they're too big to hold your hair securely tied just once, but they're too small to double them up. These, you can double, triple, quadruple these. You can stretch them really wide. So if you just want to do one and have a big poof, you can do it with that. If you want to have a tight ponytail, you can do it that way. These are bomb. Like, I stay losing them. But I stay having these in my arsenal. So, and they're really cheap, like I said. So get you some scrunchies, girl, to keep your natural hair on fleek at all times. Must have number 5 is going to be hair clips or claws. So I have these 2. There's a whole bunch of different kinds. You can get them from the beauty supply, Sally's, Walmart, what have you. This one is, I think it's called a crocodile clip. So these are good to just kind of slide in and clip the hair section off. And then you have your traditional claws or clips. I use these when I am washing my hair in the shower. Sections, again, are your friend. If I'm detangling, I use them. Deep conditioning, styling, just to pin the hair out of the way, but not getting tangled so much where it takes so long to get it out, so you have to wrap something 8 times and unravel it or whatever to get it out of the way. Just get your clips, move the hair out of the way, do what you need to do, and keep it moving. So you definitely need to have a whole bunch of these. I don't know what it is about these types of things where they get lost all the time, so I stay buying them. But good thing is that they are cheap, they don't cost a lot, but they are a definite must-have for your naturals. Must-have number 6 are disposable shower caps. These things are super cheap. You can get them for like, I don't know, $2, $1.50. This comes with 15, and these will always be your friends, especially when it comes to deep conditioning. But these are a necessity. You go through these, use them all the time, and they're cheap, and you need to have them. So go to the beauty supply and pick you up some disposable shower caps, girl. Must have number 7 is a scalp massager. So I came across this on another YouTube a couple of years ago, and I live by this. I bought my friends who are also natural these because I just love it. So it's battery operated, so you can use it. It has a little handle here, so it's easy to grip in the shower, and then it has this little button here. Of course, I got it in purple because it's my favorite color. And so you just grip it, press the button. Hold on, you hear that? Oh my gosh, it's like heaven on your scalp. So this is great for stimulation, to encourage hair growth. It's also great for washing your hair, really getting the buildup off of your scalp. It does have these kind of silicone flexible tips. They're pretty long, so you can get into your hair. And I just do circular motions. And there's some research that lets you know certain parts of the scalp and areas that you massage when you do that correctly, it also encourages or speeds up the hair growth process. So I love these. It's a great little extra pamper me moment in the shower as you're washing your hair, and it's a must-have in my book for sure. Moving on, must-have number 8 is a shower mirror. So I'll put in a picture right around here somewhere, but the shower mirror has been my best friend, because a lot of times you can't see what you're doing and you want to make sure that you're not ripping your hair out, or you're really getting into the scalp when you're washing, deep conditioning, whatever. And so the shower mirror is a godsend. So trust me on it, get you a shower mirror, you'll be glad that you did. Must-have number 9 is a boar head bristle brush. So this thing is really good when you have blowout styles where your hair isn't super duper curly. This one in particular, it has the boar head bristles, and it also has like a mixed media, 2 different types of bristles. So it's really good for bringing out the shine. It's also good for smoothing the hair down, reducing frizz, and really bringing up the sebum from your scalp into your hair. Also good if you're doing any slick down styles to slick down your front parts of your head. I would not use this type of brush if your hair is in its natural curly state. So only on stretched or blown out hair, or only on the smooth, slicked parts of your style. If you use this in curly, coily, kinky hair, it will rip your hair out. So this is only to be used in certain circumstances for certain hairstyles, but it comes in handy for sure. If you don't have anything like this, steal your boyfriend or your husband's brush. It does the same thing. And then the last and final must-have I have for naturals are, drum roll, bobby pins. So you know this, I mean, this is just a must-have, anyone with hair, really. If it's not a fade, you need to have bobby pins. So bobby pins are going to give you life, honey, when you want to style your hair, pin it back, tuck it, roll it, dip it, twirl it. Anything you want to do with your hair, you need to have these bobby pins. It can help secure any accessories you want to put in your hair. It can help with pinning down hats and things if you want to wear them on your hair. So just have them, get a whole bunch of them. They disappear all the time, so get a big tub like this. This may have been $3 from the beauty supply. So that's it. That's all I have for today for the must-haves every natural should have in their arsenal. This is, again, the first video of the Lazy Natural series that I'm going to be having on my channel. So please be sure, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and join the tribe. Subscribe to this channel, show me some love. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe again. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video drops for the Lazy Natural series. I want to highlight the makeup of the day. I am wearing magnetic lashes. I did do a recent video tips on how to slay your magnetic lashes, so be sure to check it out. It will be linked up here and also in the description box below. What are the must-haves that you are aware of for naturals? Please let me know. Let's start a good conversation in the comments. And until next time, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next journey. Bye. I'm a lazy natural, okay? I don't have time to do my hair all the time, and I need to be able to get out the door. So yeah, if you are loving this turban that I'm rocking, my bonnet and messed up, needs to be washed, deep conditioned hair underneath, then be sure to check it out. I'll have the link in the description box below. It's www.byanike.com. She has lots of cute turbans. You don't have to worry about tying it or anything because I'm not creative like that. I don't know how to execute it. You literally just slip it on and go. Okay, that's what I'm all about. So go ahead and check it out if you're interested in it because I love it. What do you think? Anybody got to know what's going on up underneath here? I'm just saying.